UP Fighting Maroons, Payusing, Rimogat, Stevens, Pre, Baila, and San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay, Kalimag, Reyes, Turculas, Etule, and Reyes.
Fighting Maroons dito, Coach Paul, no? It's Baila, Pre, Rimogat, Payosing, and Stevens. Inbound for UP, Baila has it. 9:43, Rimogat! Big shot for Noy Rimogat.
May gym na tayo, siguro 2 years from now, ang mga 7,000 din yun. So,
Pax yung Pax.
yung capacity din pwede mo ilagay sa mga Gedli. So, abot yun na 10,000.
Payosing. One-hander for James Payosing. Noy Rimogat against Reyes. Handoff para kay DJ Pre. Shotlock natin, nasa 10. At pakinggan natin yung report ni Maris Victoria para sa atin, Coach Maris.
Nagbabagang kamay. Kalimag, smiling there, really enjoying the game. Yun naman talaga importante ninyo, no? Just enjoy the game as Gani Stevens pass to a cutting and looping VJ Pre.
Ball game here, it's 9-14. VJ Pre tatanggap dito. Handoff naman kay RV Puyos. Oh, timely shot again. Miguel Iniguez. Iniguez yung unang nakatalon doon.
Medyo magaling yung ginawa ni Marcelo. Mas magaling lang talaga yung depensa. Ang hahaba ng mga wing ng mga Fighting Maroons.
VJ Pre against Etule. Puyos. Step back, pasok yan para kay Puyos.
Aganinho.
Championship game.
Yep, Aganinho. Hindi pwede lahat Michael Jordan.
Oo, kailangan may Dennis Rodman.
May Dennis Rodman, may Scottie Pippen. O ilagay mo na. Kailangan mo mga Bill Cartwright.
Oo.
Luke Longley.
Ogana at the free throw line. Side the paint.
Miscommunication there for Palanca and Sean Alter as Ogana, when in doubt, shoot.
Puyos with 2 seconds. Stolen away. Reyes to end the first. Short lang para sa San Beda as we end the quarter. Apat po itong kalamangan ng UP Fighting Maroons. It is 20-16. For San Beda, courtesy of this guy is Sean Alter. That is a unsportsmanlike foul.
But before that, Nino, what an unselfish play, moving without the ball from San Beda. As ito yung knockout play as clearly there, Songkoya not playing for the ball. That's a good decision for our referee. Hindi, sabi niya yung kailangan niya daw yung Yossi lang daw. Yossi lang. Okay na daw lahat.
Oo. Hindi lang yung Barker.
Oo.
Diba? Rinig nyo rin. Pati rin yung commentators dito. Ubus na po tayo. After the 5 straight days of basketball. Quality basketball. But was quality itong basket na ito for UP Fighting Maroons. Look at the feed. Palanca just patiently waiting. Coach, to drop that pass.
Miscommunication there for Alters and Pre. They're not moving Hindi sila tumitingin One of the oldest coaching style dito ninyo or sinasabi ng mga coach pala, man, you, ball. As Chico Briones getting his first bucket of the game.
VJ Pre. 12 seconds. Scans the floor. Counter steal by Chico Briones. Odudu. One-hander is good. RV Puyos will secure the rebound para sa Fighting Maroons. Forward pass. Briones. Balik sa labas. May hesitation pa for former Ateneo de Cebu player James Payosing. One-hander. And that is good for James. Kalma niya. Sabi niya, kalma.
Sabi niya, sinapak si Puyos Siya relax lang.
Puyos. Fakes. Puyos. Aatake. Ododu Kingsley with a 2-pointer. Tsaka nagkakampi kayo. Ay, kalaban din.
Hindi,
yun.
kakape
Kaustar.
kami sa Pagadian. Kakape kami.
Hindi, kalaban.
Kalaban
Gusting
pala.
ko siya.
Oo, Davao Boy pala yun eh.
38 all. Ogana again. Di pa tapos. 5 to shoot. Fades away. Nope. Put back. Wala pa rin for Beda. UP with the last ball. And James Payosing lets it fly. That's the end of our second quarter. Lamang po itong UP Fighting Maroons 44 to 38. Wala pang isang minuto, coach. 5 puntos kaagad yung kanilang nakama dito. Naibaba kaagad sa isa yung kanilang hinahabol na 6. DJ Pre. Babawi din para sa Universidad ng Pilipinas.
Pero alam mo ninyo, to continue on the report of Maris, even though you're not, brothers by blood, 6 hours a day to 10 hours nakakasama kayo
Diba?
Yung iba pa dyan, 24 hours na.
Mas matagal pa kayo magkasama kaysa mga classmate mo, no?
Exactly.
But on the other side, Ogana, pasok yung 3 kahit walang pasok ngayon, Sabado.
Oo.
Ogana will inbound. Ogana has it. Ododu against Hawkins. 1-on-1. Hawkins or Ododu scores over Hawkins.
Sabi ni Coach Kim, para tong, the same face ni Jemar Bragais.
Kaya nga no? The same,
Holma.
Oo, yung katawan. Medyo lengthy lang. Ododu with a fake. Goes reverse. Unstoppable itong si Kingsley Ododu. Iniges the hand of Tonoy Rimogat. 54-48. Rimogat the drive and the score. Up by 6 itong UP. Noy to Shan Alter.
Oh!
Wow!
Sean Alter. We just need to read this one.
5 seconds. Iniges can't get the bounce. And that's the end of our third quarter. 58-55. A 5-0 run for San Beda before we end this third quarter.
Aldo Sterculas na patingin sa bench ng taga UP Fighting Maroons.
Former team nitong si Aldous Lugulas.
Exactly.
Noy against Kalima. Good stop by Noy. Off the glass. Wow. The fans. Correction. It is 60-59 pala. Isang free throw lang yun ay pasok doon. Baila. Nowhere to go. Goes to Alter. And Sean with that control. Inbound for UP. Labas sila kay Baila. Against a smaller defender. Here comes the screen. Baila tries to attack. Baila scores. There's a block from behind doon. The cat stolen away. Baila escapes and scores for UP.
You see the change of speed there for Baila more.
Puyos. 4 minutes. Long shot for Puyos, but offensive rebound for Gani Stevens. Haba din yung kanyang pahinga dito. DJ Pre. Tonoy Rimogat, 4 seconds. Rimogat fires. Agaw ng rebound. Payosing has it. Extra feed and the score by VJ Pre. C2, an 8-point lead for the Fighting Maroons. Noy Rimogat. 1-on-1 against Reyes. Rimogat. Cross court. VJ Pre. Ogana. Big shot again. He is the man. Russell Ogana.
Shooting from anywhere since that first quarter. But this is one of the most important shots of the game. It's so nice. We need to see it twice. Russell Ogana, pangatlo pa yan. Thrice na. Really playing hard, really playing good basketball for the Red Lions. Wow, Titay.
And congratulations to the both squads. UP Fighting Maroons will win and go home with 800,000 cash. Assistant si Levy, sa kanilang cameraman sina Homer, Junjun, Dennis, and to our course reporters, Flo Del Agua, Maris Victorio, Sara, Thirdsman, to our analyst here, Coach Kim Reyes, Coach Paul Hoven, and ito po, yours truly, Nino Abanid. Daghang salamat for having us and joining us sa ating tournament dito